Yes, girl, we rocking Peruvian over here, sis. Yes. Hey queens, welcome back to the channel. The wig I'm giving you guys today is actually another bundle. These bundles came from Sunber Hair. Okay, they sent me 3 bundles and a closure. The bundles are 20 inches, the closure is 18, and this is Peruvian body wave. Yes, girl, we rocking Peruvian over here, sis. Yes! Another great AliExpress vendor for you guys to try. And we're trying it first over here on the channel. So if you like what you see, everything will be in the description. But this just takes out the middleman for you and allows you to see what they have to offer before you go and spend your coins, okay? Okay, girls, so let me go ahead and give you guys the rundown. Everything you need to know about this unit. Now, I already told you guys that this is a closure unit. It came with 3 bundles and a closure. The closure was 18 inches. Sorry, girl, I forgot. The closure was 18 inches. The bundles were 20 inches and it was 3 bundles, okay? So this unit, I keep saying this unit, girl. These bundles are, because, you know, we done stepped it up, sis. So used to saying units. I love the texture of this hair. I reviewed quite a few human hair bundles in the last couple of days, and this one really just has that really soft, nice texture that a lot of different units don't have. It does come with a little bit of shedding, you guys. It wasn't out of control, but just want to let you know, and I didn't have any tangling at all with this hair. So this is another AliExpress vendor. This is Sunber Hair, and yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. And like I said, I will be coming back with a styling video on this hair. This was just an initial review to get you guys to see what they have and kind of put it out there in the atmosphere, see what you guys think about it as well. Make sure you comment below any thoughts that you have, any questions that you have, because definitely they are watching and hopefully they can answer them for us and for you. So these type of videos are just to be the middleman for you guys. If you're looking to get great human hair and you want to find a vendor and you don't have to go through all the trash, because you know there are some people on AliExpress that are just not giving what they're advertising. So I'm trying out these units, here I go with the units again. I'm trying out this hair for you guys so you guys can kind of see what's going on AliExpress, and then you can decide whether or not you want to get it or not. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think about this hair. Thanks again, Sunber Hair, for sending me out this hair so I could show the queens and the queendom what you guys have to offer. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love y'all so much. Make sure you share, and I'll see you later, girl. Bye.